Welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 8th of December with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at dollar yen now, and dollar yen started to come off a little bit. We had this strong move higher, the acceleration higher after non-farm payrolls on Friday. Slight consolidation overnight, but that's a consolidation has started to drift lower again. And as ever, with all of these drifts lower on dollar yen, this is sort of over the past month really on the hourly chart. All these drifts lower are bought into at high levels. So you need to be ready, I think, for the next bout of support that comes in. So where would you be looking out for that support? Well, probably you've not really got any real support until you're back at $120, which is a minor consolidation level just underneath this level here, 120. Other than that, you've just accelerated all the way through a whole load of a whole load of levels that you've not really been at since 2007 on this chart, and there's no real resistance through that. So that's why it sort of accelerated quite quickly, and I think that could well be resulting in maybe a fairly quick and sharp pullback towards that 120 area, perhaps now. It seems to be that today is a down day for the yen, and we've had that disappointing data out of Japan with the revision of GDP for Q3 down to negative 1.9, which was a very disappointing number. And certainly the yen is is strengthening on the back of that. I'm going to say that I think that's on maybe an element of a flight to safety, because I think pretty much across the board, I think markets are in a little bit of a retrenchment mode. So it could be the fact that that's why we're seeing dollar yen lower, and it will put a lot of pressure back on Shinzo Abe moving into this election. So that's maybe why the yen is strengthening on the back of that this morning. But certainly I think anything back towards 120 I think would be now considered to be maybe a decent buying opportunity. I haven't really drawn any trends in on this dollar yen chart for a while, basically because there's no real, every time you sort of get it, it sort of moves away from it, and that trend even there, it's a fairly reasonable trend, I suppose you could make it, but it's so far away from where we're trading at the moment. Sort of zooming in, that trend is currently around that 119 mark. So a correction back to 119 from 121 is a big correction if you think about it. Two big figures on dollar yen, that's a big old move. But certainly it looks at the moment like that we are underway on a little bit of a corrective slide, but I think 120 is probably around about where you would be looking out for your buying opportunity on dollar yen. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on the yen today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.